What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mphentle Bolokwe, a Motswana YouTuber from Botswana Honey, and welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, press that subscribe button and welcome to the fun family. Oh my goodness, guys, I've missed you so much. And I miss catching up with you guys. So, here I'm just preparing breakfast for my daughter. She wasn't in the mood for cereals today. So, I wanted to make her something quick and easy. And yeah, these are the seasons that I used for her fries before I put them in the oven. Yeah, pasta spice honey, it's delicious anywhere and everywhere. I put it everywhere. So this is me here preparing everything. This is my house dress. I thought I should just be so raw with you. I am always wearing this dress because it's hot. It's hot, honey. So from here, we're planning to go to Builder's Warehouse because we're planning to do a DIY wall paneling. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's go.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited to be back. I have missed talking to you guys like this. I've missed talking in front of a camera. It's been a while, it's been forever. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. Anyways, let me tell you guys where I have been before I do this haul for you guys. I have been struggling with memory. As you know, I vlog using my phone, but I struggle with the phone memory so much that I had I had so many videos planned for you guys, but I couldn't shoot them for you guys because I have a problem with memory. I'm still having a problem with storage. So I am trying to work with what I have. If you've noticed, I just upload short videos like 10 minutes, 13 minutes of videos because my storage level is super low. So I need to work on that. So, for those who don't know me, I'm your girl Mpenta Blogger, and if you haven't subscribed and you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, press that subscribe button to show you guys what I've got from the shops. After Builders Warehouse, we went to a couple of shops, and I thought I should do a little haul for you guys. The reason why it's noisy is because my boyfriend is cutting the panels because we're trying to do the wall paneling for the um, the art pieces that I got from, what was that, Shit Street? Yeah, from Shit Street. So let me quickly not delay. So we went to Pep. Okay, guys, I'm obsessed with getting household things. I got this little doggy. Nana, please, and reduce the volume. Yeah. So I got this dog in black. I just spray painted it just like 30 minutes ago. I spray painted it gold because I want to do gold finishes. And then I got, still in Pep, I got these little dessert containers. This was 15 bula. Oh, our doggy was 50 bula. I don't know if you guys can see that. This was 15 bucks. I got 4 of these. And still in Pep, I got these little cute glasses. This was 15 bucks as well. These are little cute. I was thinking of, because they're so small. Literally, they are so small. I got 3 of those, like super small. So Amarula, what else can you drink with that? So I got these decorative fixtures. Okay, these decorating things. I got the big one. Okay, this is medium, this is small. It's not really big. So I'm gonna put them by the TV stand. Since Christmas is over, I have to put up different things. This was 100 pula and this was 60 pula. So I'm gonna put them something like this. So I'm not sure if I want to put a flower in here or not, but I just like this clean look because the aesthetic that I'm going for, guys, is just a simple clean aesthetic. Oh, and then there's one more thing. Oh, and then I got these. There are 3 more dessert containers. When I got these, I was just thinking of ice cream. So probably put this for the kids and then that for us, the clear ones for the older people. On to the next shop. Okay, that was the longest haul. It was the longest haul ever, guys. So these are the last things that we got. I got these milk containers, Kobahumi. So I got 2 of this. Um, this one we're gonna put milk. If you are a regular press that like button and put a heart on the comment. Guys, at this point, I didn't even notice that my mic wasn't recording. Ke rala gore ba tikeng. what is going on? But we push. So here I was just showing you guys the things that I got from Besco, explaining on each and everything that why I bought it. But you know what? I just got cute little things for the house, for the kids, for everybody. Um, Nothing really hectic. So after this, I'm just gonna remove all the Christmas decorations. I know it's late, but I've been lazy to remove them. Then I'm gonna decorate the house with the things that I've been having and some new things that I've shown on this video. So let's go.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you feel it rushing in, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it rushing in. Lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do.
So guys, this is how the wall paneling came out. We are far from done. We are still yet to do a lot of layers on the panels. Then we do a wall painting finish. We're gonna paint it white as well. This is my couch. Here are the pillows. I just wanted to show you so nothing disturbs the look. So far it's not bad, and I think I'm liking it from a distance. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I remove them or should I continue with the painting? It'll come together. Do they go with these art pieces? But I'm obsessed with this lady. Really obsessed. Let me try and go close by. This is how the lady looks like. We haven't removed the plastic because we want to finish the painting and everything so that it doesn't get dirty. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you've liked this vlog so far. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.